Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Grammarly on your iPhone to write a research paper step by step in very simple terms. Let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Grammarly app. Tap on plus button to create a new document or open existing research paper draft. Begin by typing your introduction, body paragraph or conclusion. Don't worry if it's not perfect. Grammarly will help you to improve it as you go. In the bottom right corner, tap the green circle with sparkling icon. This opens the Grammarly assistant and shows suggestions for grammar, spelling and clarity. Grammarly will highlight error and suggested corrections. Tap the green accept button to fix them. This helps your research paper stay clear and professional. Use Grammarly tone and clarity suggestion to make your writing formal and academic. It also suggests better word choice and sentence structure, which is perfect for research paper. If you have Grammarly Premium, tap plagiarism to check your paper for copied content. Grammarly will show math checks and help you rewrite them. You can also use citations to generate APA, MLA or Chicago reference directly in the app. That's it. That's all for today's video guys. Found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.